Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will see how to use calculator in Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. Go to the calculator app. Now you can see there are various options available here. You can divide and multiplication, addition, subtraction, all options available here. And then the extra options is by clicking this, you can see the history of the calculations. This is very useful method. By clicking this, you can see the unit converter. In area, you can change the acres, hectares, square feet, and you can change the length inches to centimeters. For temperature, you can use Fahrenheit to Celsius. In volume, you can use US gallons to liters. And then using this symbol, you can see the scientific calculator. In this, you can use the sine, cos, tan, log, e power x, x squared, x power y, pi. Again, click in the scientific calculator disappeared. I think this video will useful to you. Okay friends, bye. We will